Welcome to 23/132 Clayton Street in Bellevue. Nice 3x2 villa with a double carport, solar panels, storage room, tile flooring and split cycle aircon with a gas bayonet as well. Gas cooking and space to install a dishwasher. Laundry just here. First bedroom. This is the smallest bedroom of the lot. Still got a built-in robe though, which is good. This would be the master. You've got a walk-in robe here with a light. And here is the bathroom. The shared family bathroom is just here. You've got a separate bath and shower. Glass walls, tile as well. Toilet. And the third bedroom at the back here. Also with a built-in robe. Nice amount of living space. And a rear courtyard as well. Gas hot water system. Fold out clothesline. Nice and low maintenance setup. That's 23/132 Clayton Street.